Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to cover the second half of Surah Fatiha and what are the common mistakes that people do while reading it. So let's start. I will read Tawuz and Tasmiyah first and then I will read each ayat of the second half of the surah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now let's read the fifth ayat. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. Now let's look at the first word. اهدنا اهدنا. In the first word of the fifth ayat, we have to pay attention on this letter ha, as majority people mixes the sound of this ha with letter ha or don't produce the correct sound of letter ha. Okay, the correct way of reading this word is ihdinas, ihdinas. Okay, not ihdi, ihdi. We have to produce the correct sound of letter ha. Ha. Ihdinas. Next word. Nasirotol. Nasirotol. Okay. In this word, we have to pay attention on this letter Sod, as this letter is a heavy letter and we have to produce a heavy sound here. If we mixes the sound of letter Sod with letter Sin, that will make the word incorrect. Okay? So the correct way, Nafsi, not Nasi. Okay? Now the next letter is Ra, and Ra has a Fatha sign. It means we have to read the Ra with a heavy voice. How? Nasira, not Nasira. Okay, that's what majority people make mistake here. Nasira, Nasira. Next letter, To. It's a heavy letter. So how to produce this sound? Nasiratal, not Nasiratal. Okay, that will make the word wrong. Nasiratal. Okay. Next word, Mustaqim. In this word, we have to pay attention on letter Qaf as well as the letter Ta, as majority people mixes the letter Ta here with letter Ta. Okay. First thing is this letter Ta, and the second letter we have to be careful about is letter Qaf, because it's a heavy letter, so we have to produce a heavy sound here. Mustaqim, not mustaqim. Okay, we don't have to mix the letter Qaf sound with letter Kaf. We have to make sure and remember this. Mustaqim, mustaqim. Okay, next ayah. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم. Now let's read the first word. صراط. صراط. The first letter is a Sod and we know it's a heavy letter. We have to produce a heavy sound and not mix the sound of letter Sod with letter Sin. Okay, how to read this word? Sira, Sira. And the next letter is letter Ra with a Fatha sign. It means Ra will read here with a heavy voice. Sira, not Sira. Okay, that will not the right way. It's the right way is Sira. Next letter is Tol. Tol, not Tal. Okay, we have to make sure that we are reading the To with a heavy voice. Sira, Tol. Siratal. Next. Ladina. Ladina. This is not a complex word, so just practice with me. Ladina. I forgot to tell you that we have a Zal here. It means Zal will be read here with the lighter voice. Okay? How to read the Zal here? Ladina, not Lazina. Okay, because letter Zal has some similar letters, Za, Wa, and Wad. We have to make sure that we are reading the Zal separately. Okay, like not mixing the sound with any other letter. Ladina, it's a light letter. Ladina. Next word, An'amta. An'amta. In this word, the letter we have to pay attention is letter Ain. Okay, as this is a throat letter, and we have to make sure that we are reading it correctly and not mixing the letter sound with letter Hamza, as Hamza is also a throat letter. So the right way is An'amta, not Anamta. Anamta will make the word wrong. Okay, so the right way is An'amta. Next word, Alayhim. Alayhim. In this word, we have to pay attention on this letter Ain. Okay, if we read the word as alayhim with the hamza sound, that will not the right. That will make the word wrong. We already discussed. So the right way is alayhim, alayhim. Okay. Next part of this ayat, sixth ayat, sixth, yeah. Next part of this ayat. غير المغضوب غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Let's dive deeper. غير In the first word, we have the letter Ghoin in the start, and we know Ghoin is also a heavy letter. And it's also a letter of throats. It means it will be read from the throat with a heavy voice. Ghoy, not Ghai. No, it's Ghoiril. Ghoiril. Next word, Maghzubi. 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 In this word, we have a letter Ghoin, and we already discussed about the letter Ghoin. It's a throat letter and a heavy letter. We have to read it correctly. Ghoy, not Ghai. Ghoy. Next letter is letter Vod. So majority people read the letter incorrectly, as they don't know how to read this letter and how to produce the correct sound. The correct sound is when you touches the tongue, right side of the tongue to the right side upper jaws. This is how we have to produce the letters Vod sound. Okay? The right sided jaw, your tongue needs to touch the right side jaw, right side of the tongue needs to touch the right side of the upper jaws. That will produce the correct sound of letter Vod. Okay? Maghdubi. Next. Alayhim. Alayhim. In this word, we also have to pay attention on letter Ain. It's not alayhim, it's alayhim. Alayhim. And the last word, وَلَضَّالِّينَ وَلَضَّالِّينَ. In this word, we have to pay attention on the letter Vod, as this letter comes with a Shadda sign and also with a Mad sign, and the next letter contains a Shadda sign. So we have to read correctly, like we have to stretch this letter for 6 alif because of the Mad sign and the Alif sign, and then we have to join with the next letter, that is Lam. Okay, so first we have to join this Lam with the letter Vod. Let me erase. First, we have to join this letter Lam with the letter Vod, and then it stretches the letter Vod for 6 counts. Then join the letter Vod with the next letter, that is Lam. So the right way is Wala Wallin. Now let's read the whole ayat. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. I hope that all the mistakes in the second part of Surah Fatiha is cleared now, and this will improve your recitation. So if you have any question regarding this, you can ask in the comments. And that's it for today's class. Assalamu alaikum.